To make an idea where you need to position your car on the road, for pulling up on the left, you can bring edge of the curb somewhere slightly right from the center of your car, where you can see it now, and you will have that much distance. This is your parking distance. When we drive, we move a meter away from the curb, then the same edge of the curb will be slightly left side of the center of your car. Now I will show you how you can do that. We'll prepare and then I can move. Now as you can see, is getting to the left side, and here now we have almost 1 meter away from the curb. It's slightly left side of the center, so this is good position to drive on this road. We are almost a meter away, and you can use same reference point with the parked car. You will bring edge of the parked car at the same reference point, and you will have good distance from the parked car. Now I will pull up on the left. I will bring back to the parking reference point, which is somewhere here, and then I can secure the car.